filling her up.
Yeah. We're gonna try to data log this thing again with this new triple pump setup. We'll see. You know, following up on the last video we had for the initial test drive, fuel crashed hard. So we put a deatschwerks X3 module in it that's got 3 fuel pumps. So you have the primary one that runs all the time, and then the second stage fires the other 2 at once, and I've got them set up to 5 psi of boost. So we shall see if it works.
I was like, I don't know, but that sounds like a lot.
It's a lot of fuel. On a bench test, I think the math equals out to like 1600 horsepower or something that it's capable of. Now, obviously, we're not going to push this car to that.
If this makes 1600 horsepower.
No, this won't. But in theory, we should have fuel for days. We'll find out. I hope so, because I'm ready to send this thing home.
So did the tuner say what he wants out of the log?
No, I'm just gonna go try to do a pull. I'll have somebody ride and we'll watch live monitoring and make sure it doesn't crash hard. It should, in theory, it should start to dip and then
Boost
kick
back
up. When the secondary pumps kick in. And then it spiked to 90, so we just go put some fuel in it and then try it. I did an XHP flash since the last time we took this out too.
Oh really? Mm-hmm. So is it stage 2 or 3? 3. That's all we needed. Yeah, no, it never dropped below, I mean, that says 54, but...
Well, that should have just been like a dip and then jumped up, right?
It was cruising at 90. So,
sweet. That was exactly what I wanted.
It says 22 PSI of boost.
Okay.
Just on time, it's starting to rain.
Solid.
So I wonder in the next log, is he gonna up the boost?
You know, I don't know. So like to me, it seems like a lot of boost for just the base map already.
Yeah.
Which maybe it's not on this platform, but like on N54, N55 platform on about this size turbo, you know, 21 pounds is this 550 wheel, 600 wheel maybe. So I don't know if he will or not, because I don't really want to push this car over 600 to 650 for the owner right now, because he's never had anything.
Good little tunnel.
Third's pretty violent.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Felt the front end pull up on that one.
Up top either.
No. I mean, I pulled it to red line. Feels good. Get a little rolling throttle under this tunnel. Maybe.
Mexico's got a lot of tunnels. This thing is so violent.
That was funny. Gross. Mustangs.
It's kind of crazy because I feel like even as of right now, there's like, this is going to be hard to keep up with.
Power is going to scare the crap out of me.
Yeah. So is traction on or off?
It's off. No, it is still on right now. Yeah, I don't want to fully disable it.
It's been a while since I've been in anything fast, but I feel like this is faster than even like Diego's R8.
It's definitely more torquey.
Like it's violent.
And that's the thing about them, is like, being that it's rear-wheel drive and, you know, the back wheels are right behind us, so it just feels even more violent than what it actually is. In the R8, you know, it's all-wheel drive, and like, it was kind of boring after third because it was just so
smooth,
planted. Yeah, it's like first and second were really violent and torquey in it, and then it just was like, man, whatever, click gears. This thing feels like it wants to kill you.
Yeah, literally.
Dude, I'm so happy. We've been fighting fuel pressure on this thing since Jump Street. And so to have that dialed in, smooth, that's so nice.
Almost dropped them. Yeah, you can definitely tell when that screamer opens up.
Yeah, good old dump tubes. Success.
Yeah,
we did it.
Needed that one.
Needed to win.
So that's probably the first time we've probably actually got it fully warmed up.
Yeah,
like
definitely
cooking.
I let it warm up while I was finishing that oil change earlier, so the engine would be nice and ready. And that's the first time we've done anything over a third gear attempt. And that was it third, fourth, fifth, I think.
And it went well.
Yeah, it did. So success. I'm happy. Owner can come get it, enjoy it, drive it, get used to it. Let us know when he's ready to turn up the power some more, and we can send it some more.
Yep. So it's probably the last time you guys will see this car for a while, because it's going back to its owner, and when it comes back, it'll be ready to really turn it up.
Yeah. I'd probably say on its next stage, when it comes back here, I bet it's getting a built trans at that point.
Yeah.
he'll be like, all right, cool, I'm ready. And then at that point,
Yeah.
send it off to Pure, have him build it, and then we can, yeah.
It'll really be spicy.
Yeah, be scary.